Hi, I'm Paulette.
And I'm Marlene.
And here we are
at the Chicago Auto Show. Please enjoy the next videos.
Subscribe, like,
share, and like them. US Classic Muscle Car has something in store for you guys, something new. Hi, I'm Marlene, and today we are here at the Chicago Auto Show. Now we are looking at a 2018 Kia Stinger. Now this is Kia's first 5-passenger fastback sports sedan. It promises to be the highest performance production vehicle in the company's history. Now this is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline engine. It has a 255 horsepower with 260 pound-feet of torque. Now this is a V6 engine. It has a 3.3 twin turbo. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now this is Kia's first sedan to be offered in rear and all-wheel drive configurations, and it features Kia's first application of a 5-mode. Look how beautiful our model Paulette looks inside the car. Now let's take a look at the inside trunk of this vehicle. Lots of room here. I think Kia made a good car. Now for a personal review, this car has flair, color, and style. What else more do you need? Now please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So it's been a long day
in Chicago Auto Show.
But don't forget to share and like our videos.
And subscribe.